Is your suitcase bursting at the seams and you're dreading those dreaded excess baggage fees with Lufthansa? Don't panic. I'm going to show you the super simple way to add extra baggage to your Lufthansa flight before you even get to the airport and save yourself a ton of hassle. First, head over to the Lufthansa website. Look for the My Bookings section, usually found at the top of the page or in the main menu. Click on it. Now, enter your booking code, also known as your reservation number, and your last name in the provided fields. This info is on your flight confirmation email. Double check you've entered everything correctly, then click Find Booking. Once your booking pops up, you'll be taken to your flight details page. Look for a section related to baggage allowance. There should be an option to add baggage or manage booking. Click on that button. You'll then see different baggage options available, along with their prices. Choose the baggage allowance that fits your needs. Lufthansa usually offers several options, from standard checked baggage to oversized items. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your payment information. Lufthansa uses secure payment gateways, so your details are safe. Review your selection one last time, and then click Confirm Payment. And that's it. You'll receive a confirmation email with the updated baggage allowance details. You are ready for the flight. Have a safe trip.